Welcome to Chicken Diaries for October 16th, 2025. Here we have a very hungry Memphis Belle and Panther. And of course Red Baroness. There you go, girls. Oh, breakfast is served. There we go. I think the start of this episode is going to be a little on the dark side. Look at those girls work. Work it, work it, work it, work it. That's it. Go get your share. Perfect. Ha! Yes, I know, I dumped some food on you, I'm sorry. Good girls. Hey, you know we're almost up to 350 subscribers? That's very, surprising actually. Didn't think I'd get that many. But I guess you like the ladies as much as I do. Good girls. Today is a mostly sunny day. Couple of clouds in the sky. And 3 very hungry chickens. Though Panther seems to want the grass variety. That's a good thing about chickens, they get rid of the weeds. Though they also eat my gardens. Dig nice big holes in there, sleep in them. Messy stuff. Alright, you happy? You're happy, you're happy, everyone's happy. Well, that wraps up this edition of Chicken Diaries. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye for now.